Hi, this is Everett. Welcome to One Line Drawing. My supplies today is a piece of drawing paper and a fountain pen with black ink. Now, one line drawing is very important to me because it's a way of expressing shapes using a single unbroken line. Once we get started, I put the pen on the paper and I start the drawing. The pen does not leave the paper until the drawing is finished. That's what a one line drawing is. So let me get started. Let me put this aside. And I have a pair of scissors over here. That's my subject today. Pair of scissors laid out, and my drawing paper's over here on the side. So I'm going to have, I got my ink pen ready. So let me get started. I'm going to start here at the bottom here of the scissors, bottom corner, bottom point. Be sure you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to draw very slowly. I can adjust my hand to move along straight, get to a point that I see. And I start drawing it. Now I'm following the shape that I see. I'm using a contour drawing, which is I look at this, look at what I look at my object, and I follow along the shape by looking at it. And really, your hand, the pencil or pen will follow your eye path, and that's what I'm doing. I'm doing contour drawing, and this is a very good way to practice. I get to a point here now. I can go in and I can retrace an area like this. So as long as I keep the pen on the paper, I'm fine. So going on around, complete this shape here, and then continue on. It's got a little curve to it, and we go straight on. I'm going to finish off the section here. And I can come in here and I do another little design. I can always back out. And I continue on with the shape. Now I'm following my eyes now. I see this come to a little point here. Bring it up. I can retrace the line, no problem. Now I start the other side. Another straight line. Adjust my hand. Keep the line as straight as I can. This one's got a little different shape. It's got a little pointier. Come on down to that point. And again, I can retrace. That's what I'm going to do. Oh, I'll go this way and continue up here. And I'll get to the other shape over here. The other side of the object. And I really don't want to even think about what I'm drawing. I'm just drawing what I see. And sometimes it's a good idea to not even mention or even think about what you're drawing, but say, okay, I'm drawing a curve. I'm going in this direction. It's more talk about shapes and talk about directions. Think about directions and not the object itself, but what you're doing. I'm drawing a curve here. Now I'm going to go inside and do the inside part, coming around. So I'm talking about making a circle, making a loop, coming back to this section over here. And I'm going to continue on with the shape here. And it doesn't have to be perfect, but it's going to be a likeness of it. I know that. And I'm going to stop right there. I'm going to lift my pen. There. Okay, that's my one-line drawing of the scissors. Now what I do now also is I always put a title to it. And I'm going to use a one-line drawing here also. So I'm going to start down here at the bottom underneath, and I'm going to title my drawing. And I have to go backwards. See, this is another good practice. And keep my pen on the paper. The next letter. another S, back, back. I'll do an O. I'll do an R. Okay, there's the word. That's my drawing name, scissors. And I'm going to put today's date. Today is February. It's the 3rd of February. So I'm going to put down here, underneath here, I'm going to put the date. Let's see. I think I'll put it underneath the title. I like it over here. I'm going to start with a line. And I'm going to start the first, this is 2 for the month for February. I'm going to put a slash line. And then today's the 3rd, so I'm going to put a 0. And then a 3. February 3. And I'm going to put another slash line. And then the day and the year. We got 2000, another 2, and a 4. Okay, this video is been made here on Saturday, the 3rd. And now I'm going to go over and add my company logo or my company initials. E W C, Everett's Watercolors. Okay, well that completes the exercise today, my one-line drawing. But I'll be back next Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But as a reminder, I also have a live broadcast on Thursday at 2 p.m. On Thursday. I have Eastern Standard Time. I have a watercolor demonstration, and on Thursday also at 7:30 p.m. I have Simply Drawing with Everett, 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you're welcome to join in those and watch me paint and watch me draw and paint along and draw along with me. So if you've seen this video, give me a like, give me some subscriptions. It'll help you follow my broadcast or videos in the future. And give me a comment, and I'd like to hear from you. So until next week, be safe, take care, bye.